If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this pink denim jacket by adding some brooches and some bling like this, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be showing you how I'm going to add some really cute embellishments to my daughter's denim jacket. This was a part of her birthday outfit, but first I'm going to show you how I made her shirt also. So I have a Wonder Nation shirt. It's plain. So I used my silhouette cameo and I cut out a Hello Kitty cutout. And instead of making it say Hello Kitty, I wanted it to be slightly different, so it says Hello Pretty. And I'm using my iron on the highest setting, which is cotton. And what I'm doing is peeling it off now. Just make sure if you use your iron that you cut the steam off. I'm using a glittery heat transfer vinyl that I got off Amazon. And I think the brand is HTV Ront. R-O-N-T. And they're on Amazon. They're pretty affordable. I'm going to be adding these really cute patches and a couple brooches. I'm going to turn these two Hello Kitty like charms into brooches. And then also I'm going to be adding some Hello Kitty gems. It's like some really big rhinestones, but they're shaped like Hello Kitty's head. I'm going to add bar pins to these two charms. I'm using some Maxi Cure glue. And then I'm going to go on top of that on the bar pin with a little bit of UV resin just to lock it in so it can cure immediately. Okay, so the two iron-on patches, I'm going to use my iron to iron those on. I have those type of patches available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. And I do also have a vendor's list to cute different charms, brooches, rhinestones, things of that nature. I have vendor's lists on my website if you're interested. So these went ahead and cured and dried. So I decided it would be cute to add the little Hello Kitty pieces towards the top shoulder areas. And these are like super cute. I really like these Hello Kitty charms. They're nice. They're a nice big size too. So I also have these cute brooches that I made. If you saw my video I posted of her birthday shoes I made her some Hello Kitty shoelace charms. So I made quite a bit of them. So I had a few left over. So I'm just going to add those to the collar of her jacket. This cute piece of chain I have, it actually used to be one of those croc charm chains that people used to put on their Crocs a couple years back. So I had some left over and I just kind of pulled the Croc pieces off, and I just have these cute rhinestone safety pins. I'm just going to kind of drape it on the jacket. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it going up and down or to the left and right, but I just kind of put it on there a way that I thought that wouldn't be in the way, because what I'm going to do after this, I'm actually going to add a strip of like rhinestone trim across the top of the pockets. So I didn't want those two to like run into each other, so I just was trying to adjust it. For whatever reason, I don't know what I did, y'all, but I guess I thought I hit record and my battery went dead. I already added all these rhinestones on here. Yeah, I added these rhinestones, the bigger size gems with E6000. And I added a brooch to the right pocket. But I'm not sure what I did with the video, so please forgive me for that. But you'll take your E6000 and you'll add on your bigger size, chunkier bling, or just whatever you think will look cute on your denim jacket. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue on this other these trims onto the jacket. And also a part of her birthday, her birthday outfit, she turned 11 April 2nd. And I did a really cute junk skirt. I already uploaded the junk skirt video. Oh, and then if you have a question as to how do you wash this, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and wash it. Want to know why? Because E6000 is washable. However, if you do like me, I glued pieces on, but I also use brooches. So at least 3 or 8 of these things are actual brooches. Now, you know when stuff get banged around in the washing machine, I feel like the brooches will stay on, but I feel like if you could take them off, take the brooches off and just wash the rest. That chain that's holding on with the safety pin, you probably can remove that. If not, just do a gentle soak. You know, don't be so rough with it. Do a gentle soak and then you can air dry it. So right here, I am taking a scrap of that that heat transfer vinyl, and I just kind of cut up random shapes of it, and I just ironed them right on just to add a little extra sparkle to the jacket. I was just trying something different, and I just wanted to add a little bit of extra glittery sparkle to the jacket. And I just cut it up. You know, you'd be surprised. A lot of scraps get thrown away, I'm sure. When people weed out what they cut out, there's a lot. So if you can keep that or hold on to some of that, why not? Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the shirt. So this is the birthday shirt that she wore with her outfit. It's a pink Wonder Nation shirt from... Yes, Wonder Nation should be from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. So this is really nice. I think it turned out really cute. The Hello Kitty is probably about 8 inches wide, 7 inches long. And here is the final finished result of her denim jacket. I think her denim jacket turned out really cute. It's perfect for her because she loves pink. I like pink too. Her skirt was blue jean. But this was from Shein and it did come with a matching skirt. But for whatever reason, the skirt was just a little too tight. It just didn't fit right. You know, the sizing from Shein could be a little off sometimes. But this jacket is like, it's cropped. It's really, really cute. I love it. It looks even better like on. Like when you see, like if you saw the outfit on, it just looks even better. But I really enjoyed making this jacket. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested in something like this, doing like a junk jacket, you know, just adding like some freestyle charms and some bling. I think it's great to have nice brooches. I really like that big bow on there. I wasn't exactly sure at first how I was going to get that bow to stay on there, but I ended up gluing it on with E6000. It held on really, really good. If you're going to do something like this and use E6000, of course, have your fan running, your window open, or like a little thin face mask if you have one. But also allow the garment to dry and cure for at least 24 to 48 hours before wearing, just to make sure nothing falls off. She has been wearing her jacket quite a bit. She really likes it. She has so many compliments on her birthday or just wearing it, period, especially at school. They loved it, especially the Hello Kitty pieces. And so far, nothing has come off of her jacket. So thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.